guys, welcome back to Owida's Kitchen. Today I'll be making some homemade coleslaw, and this is my ingredients: lettuce, onion, sweet pepper, cabbage, cucumber, and carrots. And over here I have my sugar, my mayonnaise, and my parsley flakes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by shredding. You can shred your cabbage and you can also grate your cabbage, but I'm going to shred it today. So I'm going to start by shredding my cabbage. You could use a knife, but I choose to use this peeler because it goes faster. And I think I'm going to change this peeler and use a different one. Just a minute. Some people like it shred, some people like when the cabbage grated, but I choose to do it this way. Alright, so next thing I'm going to shred my carrots. I'm also gonna shred a piece of my cucumber. My hands are clean, guys. And then I'm gonna add some sweet pepper. Then I'm going to add my onion, which I'm going to grate. Then I'm going to add my lettuce. Okay. Get everything clean off. And mix, mix, mix. pepper. That's a small amount. Remember guys, it's coleslaw, and coleslaw is kind of sweet. And I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, just for taste. Okay, then I'm gonna add some parsley flakes. Just for garnish. And last but not least, some mayonnaise. Guys, may I tell you, if you guys try this, you won't regret it. Tastes real good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna present it to you. So guys, here is my finished dish. Oda's Kitchen homemade coleslaw. Hope you guys enjoy watching my video. And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.